without further ado, let me go ahead and I literally just cut myself. This is not a game. It's hard, bro. Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger. With another banger comes another sneaker. And with another sneaker comes another unboxing. And this one is a good one. This one is one that you guys definitely was not expecting. So we are about to get straight into this video. But before we get into this video, the socials is going to be Instagram and Twitter at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS too. Check out that second Instagram if you want to, a quick little follow back, and if you want to stay in tune with all the things that I got going on. But without further ado, let me go ahead and get the box real fast. Pretty quick, right? And also, let me go ahead and get the thing that we about to be cutting this bad boy open with. Yeah, we upgraded. We upgraded, bro. We now moving up to the box cutter. We are now moving up to the big leagues. But without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's and get you a Whopper and tell them Chris Briggs told you to do it, because we are about to get it popping. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and ow. Bro, I literally cut my, I literally just cut myself, bro. I really did. I literally just cut myself, bro. You see that, bro? I literally just cut myself. This is not a game. Can you see it? Bro, what is going on? Oh, bro, that thing is deep. Wow. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Listen, now you can say that I for sure be putting my blood, sweat, and my tears into my videos. You feel me? But hey, it is what it is. I know you see it. You see it right there. Dang, that thing really cut me. Can y'all put pray for Chris in the comment section, bro? I'd really appreciate that. But you know what I'm saying? Listen, the show must go on. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Dang. This thing cuts immaculately. Of course it cuts immaculately. The dang thing just cut my finger. Damn. Bro, we are out here. Yo, it's getting bad. It's getting bad. Bro, hold on. Technical difficulties. I'll be right back. Dang. I didn't know this was that sharp. Hey, but like I said, the show must go on. Now, I already got one side of the box open. Let me just go ahead and pop it open like that so I don't hurt my finger. And looking into the box, what do we see? You know what that is? I don't think you do. I don't know if you know what this is. So, as we open these bad boys, this is just a wild unboxing. This unboxing is just all over the place. Listen, for your boy Chris Briggs being a war hero, smash that like button for me, you feel me, for more dope unboxings. Now, when it comes to this right here, as you guys can see, we have a Giannis Antetokounmpo box, and I have been looking to cop some Greek Freaks for a long time, man. I have been looking to cop some Greek Freaks for ages, and like I said, always check out your sneaker news, always check out your sneaker shouts and your kicks deals, because they give you some crazy steals. And this was a sneaker that I have been looking forward to for a long time. And also, you feel me, it's my birthday, you know what I'm saying? So it was my birthday a couple days ago, so I just had to go ahead and, you know, do something for myself. Shout out to Miss Christine too. You know who you are. And we opened these bad boys. The Greek Freaks that I got were the Zoom Freak 1. Multicolors, boy. I ain't even worried about my finger no more. I just got the kicks. You see that? Do y'all know what these are, bro? Do y'all know what these are? Y'all over there like, bro, just get into the sneaker, bro. All right. I just wanted to, you know, check out the aesthetic. Now, let me go ahead. Ooh. Whoa. Wow. Oh my goodness. Now, the sneaker that we have for today is the Nike Zoom 1 Freak in this multicolor colorway. Ooh, wow. That's just wild. That's insane. Wild. Is there a wild counter? Bro, how many times have I said that? These are fire. Now when it comes to the Antetokounmpo shoes, shout out to Antetokounmpo. Yes, I do have a Wizards jersey on, and yes, it is Gilbert Arenas. To all the OGs that know about Gilbert Arenas, bro, you are a GOAT, and put that in the comment section down below. Out of all the Antetokounmpo sneakers, there are about 2 more colorways that I do need. It is an all black colorway with the pearlized swoosh, which is on the side right here. And it is also the gray one with the hits of like peach orange. Those are fire also. Now, getting into these bad boys right here. Hopefully I didn't get any blood on the box, but either way, bro, it is no biggie. These are crazy. Bro, the green and the purple, the hawk looking colorway on this shoe. But then that tops it off with the red swoosh is fire. I love how the bottom isn't white too. If there's one thing I hate about sneakers is I hate white bottoms, because white bottoms is just gonna get dirty mad quick. But these is hard, bro. Goodness. Then they topped it off with like that navy blue right there. That's crazy. This side right here is just like almost even better, because it has like royal blue and then like a yellow swoosh, but then orange laces. You top the sneaker off with orange laces. Now, when it comes to this sneaker, how do you guys feel about it? Do you guys think that this shoe is dope or trash? Put that in the comment section down below. Now, I've never tried Antetokounmpos on the feet, but I know for a fact that when it comes to sneakers that I will hoop in, Antetokounmpos for me is going to be the way to go. I'm not gonna hoop in these. These look too dope. Even though I didn't even pay that much for the sneaker, bro. I got the shoe for my birthday, so it was halfway like a gift for myself. So I think my aunt threw me 40. You know, she threw me 40, and I just paid the rest of it, and the shoe was like $70 altogether, so this was a big come up. The one thing that I do have to say is do not sleep on the Zoom Freak ones, because it's almost like the Kyrie ones, bro. Every good basketball player's signature shoe ends up going on sale, because a lot of people don't necessarily know about them yet. But Giannis is going on like what, season number 4, and he's still in it. He's still in it to win it. All of his sneakers are literally going to do what KD's and Kyrie's do. They're just going to go up and up and up and up and up in price. And I honestly feel like a lot of players' first sneakers, like the Jordan ones, like the Zoom generation ones, like the Kyrie ones. Kyrie does not have a better sneaker than the Kyrie ones. So when it comes to these right here, you can pick these up for $70. Check out your sneaker shouts, check out your sneaker steals, but these sizes aren't going to sit for too long, especially at a price like this. So I recommend that you just stay on your game when it comes to this sneaker, and go ahead and check that out diligently. If there's any gripe that I do have about the sneaker is, yo, this is a multicolor Antetokounmpos, bro. The least you could do is give us the super cool multicolor box. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That would have made it a bit better. But at the end of the day, happy to have these bad boys in the collection. Now I have a real review and a on foot coming soon, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. Like I said, when it comes to these, how you guys feeling about these? Do you guys think that this is dope or trash? Put that in the comment section down below. As you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon, and all I gotta say is, hey, blessings, 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 and Chris Briggs, signing out. Damn, I really done cut my finger. It's wild.